Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to the brand new Sit Ninja game developing series. Um, I first want to start this off with some expectations. All right, so the first one is that I'll be figuring out the format for this series as we go on. Meaning, I don't know, like if I want to just upload the raws or like throw it into Premiere and add some music and make some cuts. I doubt I want to do that just because I want this to be as easy and like stress free as possible. So it's most likely just gonna be the raws. I'll just like stop recording, hit record, and probably just glue it all together and render it out and upload it. But either way, we'll be figuring out the format as we go along. You guys can also make suggestions like what you like to see change wise in the editing. Hopefully, I can accommodate those. Um, Another thing is that I'll be uploading one upload a day. Not saying every day there's gonna be a new upload. I'm just saying that like sometimes I might record things in parts for time reasons, or maybe just because it's probably better to isolate them that way. Um, which means I'll record more episodes and I'll record more than one episode a day, but I won't upload more than one episode a day. That's essentially what I'm trying to say. And that's pretty finite for now. And the last one is that I will be uploading this in a chronological order. So 1, 2, 3 to 999 if we get that far. But anyways, let's jump straight into it. Today I want to make a checklist for the game just to know how much we have left to do. Um, and kind of just refer to that checklist throughout this series. As I said in the announcement video yesterday, this game is pretty much done. There's just a few things that I have to do. So yeah, let's make this checklist and then that can conclude for today's episode. So first thing that I want to do, first things first, let me pause it, is I want to finish modeling the characters because they're pretty much done. I mean, I just want to do something basic, but I want to add a face on there, at least some eyes or something. So I'm going to add that to the checklist. Um, let's see, this is, you know what, I'm going to pause because I don't have any format for the Sit Ninja slab yet. I need to create some sort of formula so how we can go about the checklist. So I'm gonna pause and all right, and we are back. So this is kind of like what I am deciding to go with for now. Um, it may change a little later, probably off camera if it does. But this is how you read it. I call it the Sit Ninja slab because I don't know. It's just something a little different. But how you read it, it's pretty simple. Here you have IMP, which is important, how important it is, and for this scale, I guess you can call it this. For this scale, I'm using RGB in that chronological order. Red is very important, blue is whatever, and then green is like not important. And then TED is tedious because I don't believe that things are difficult. I think they're particularly either tedious or not tedious. So TED is tedious, and it's on the scale of 1, 2, 3. 1 meaning it's very, very tedious. I'm going to be pretty annoyed trying to do it. 2 is like it's okay, not too bad, not too good, and then 3 is like super easy, like 2 seconds or less. I can add this task, and then of course the task right here, which I already have 3, remodel the ninja. I wanted them to touch ground on the ninja mode. I can show you what that is real quick. Really quick. Um, Boom. So this is it's not called ninja mode. I forget what it's called. I'll check the code in a second. But essentially, when they die, they don't touch the ground, or when they walk, they also don't touch the ground. So I want to fix that. Yeah. Now back to the list. Um, and then last one is update the game over UI, which is pretty straightforward. If we go back to the game, you can see that here's the UI. This isn't final, and I want to update this to something more final. Um, yeah, and I also want to do this. I want to change this text to say your Sit Ninja score, colon. That counts. That's a tedious level 3, so I can, oops, I did not mean to do that. 3, and this is, whoops. Gosh dang it. I have my short key set to the numpad, so like, I need to figure out a good place to set my short keys to switch cameras or to switch angles, whatever. Here we go. So this is change text to sit ninja score. Cool. This is super easy. Importance. I'll give it a blue. I'll give it a blue rating. Importance. I need to put a 2 in there just so I can order it. Because I don't think it separates. Does it separate color? I'll look at that later. Not while on camera. Boom. So that's a blue importance. But cool. So let's see what else. What else? Oh man. I apologize. I need to get used to this. I need to set my hotkeys because I'm supposed to be over here as I'm talking, but I was over here. Whatever. So now I want to go back to the main menu. So let's see. Let's get a look at the main menu. I want to jazz up the main menu. What to do though, I'm not entirely sure. Play tutorial settings. I think that is final. I think that's all I need is to play tutorial in the settings. So what can I add to the checklist for this? Figure out. I'll just for now. I'll just say figure out. Figure out. Figure out main menu plan. I'll just say menu, making sure the menu plan. This, I think, is going to be about a 2. My hotkeys. I'm going to fix that right after I get off of this. And importance is pretty important. Like, I need a menu, right? I need a menu. So, let's do fill with red. Give it a 1. Cool. Cool. So, what else? I need to do the tutorial. How about I just figure out tutorial plan as well? Tutorial plan. I think for that I want to feature my friend by the handle Treezy504 because he has a great voice for stuff like this. Figure out that, and I think this will be a 2. Importance. I'll give it a blue. Like, it doesn't have to be in the game. I want it in the game, but it doesn't have to be in the game. It's a tutorial. So I'm gonna give this a blue rating. Whoops. Boom. Oops. I didn't. God dang it. Boom. Alright, cool. Is there anything else? There has to be more that I need to figure out, right? But what is it? Tutorial. Oh, I need to do settings. Figure out what type of settings I want. That's a good checklist. As a good addition. Figure. Go over here. Figure out what settings I want. Settings. Figure out the settings. And this will be a tedious. I think it's gonna be okay, just because there's a lot of moving parts, and it's gonna be a blue importance as well. Actually, settings it's a red. That's a red. I need settings. I can't publish this game without settings. I guess I technically could, but yeah, I'll give it a red for now. A red. Cool. What else is there? Let's see. I don't think there's really much else. Oh, I wanted to add like I need to give the cookies some importance because you collect cookies in this game, but I don't know what to do with them yet. I was thinking like some custom skins for this ninja suit. but then I was also not thinking custom skins. So there's a lot of stuff that's going to go on off camera that you're probably not going to see, and I'm just going to have to update you whenever the next episode is, or maybe it may occur on screen. But as I'm going through this right now, I know that I'm probably going to be like in the shower, and I think like, oh, dude, this will be perfect for the cookies, for the cookie implementation. But cool. So let's stop that. Game over. Yeah, let's stop that and go back to the slab and do figure out cookie implementation. Boom. And this will be a tedious of, I'll give it a 2. It's an average. Importance, I really won't need it in the game. I need it in the game. Legit, I need it. Legit. Cool. So to break down the importance, what separates them, red is like I need it in the game, or like I desperately want it in the game. That's probably better. It's either a need or I desperately want it in the game. Blue is I want it in the game, but it's like it'd be fine without it in the game. And then green is like it's just kind of like a little extra icing on the cake. Like I want it in there, but if it doesn't make it, if I don't have time for it, whatever. It's not gonna make it. It's not gonna make a difference whatsoever. So that's that. And I think that's pretty much it for this episode. But before I go, last thing I want to do is give it one more playthrough to see if there's anything that I might have missed. And of course, all of the ones I say figure out, they're going to later branch out into other tasks, because figuring out it's a very broad thing to do. I need to be more specific with what to carry out. But before we end this, let's jump back into Sit Ninja for the last time and to see if there's anything that may come to mind right off the bat. Sound effects. Yes, I need to see sound effects. Look into a sound effects plan. That's exactly what I need to do. Look into a sound effects plan. Cool. Alright, that's where I'm going to end it. I'm going to add this last thing. Boom. Just look into sound effects plan. And then this is going to be a tedious, how tedious I think. I think it's going to be average. It's going to be average tedious. I hit the wrong one again. And you hit this too. And then importance, very important. It's a red. This is a code red. Code red importance, guys. I need sound effects. Alright, so this is currently what we're looking at for this series. There's going to be some more that's going to be added as well. Probably you're going to probably see a lot of greens, a lot of code greens. But this is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I know it was kind of all over the place. I need to figure out better ways to switch between cameras, because this kind of hotkeys I have currently aren't working that well. And I hope you guys look forward to finishing this game, Sit Ninja, and getting out on the app stores and all that stuff. But until then, thanks for watching. See you guys.